everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. I thought today I would do a product testing video for you. It's something a lot of people have asked for over the years, and I've never gotten round to it. I did do one many years ago, but I haven't done one since. And one particular lady had asked if I could do a lather test on the Castile Soap that I made 2.5 weeks ago, which is just olive oil and lye basically. So we'll do that, but first up we're going to do a lather test on my regular soap, and this is a piece of my regular soap. All my soap bars are made with this recipe, and this is the coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, a little bit of cocoa butter and a little bit of shea butter. Cocoa butter and shea butter are really just for label appeal, but you'll see it gives a beautiful lather. And the reason it's just in a disc like this is because I used a fragrance. It was a daisy fragrance. I can't remember which company it was from, and it seized on me, so I just quickly split it all up into round blocks like this so we can use it at home. It does smell absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a go and see what the lather's like on this one. It really does give a really lovely lather actually, and the slip on it is really fantastic. Nice and creamy, lots of bubbles, and just so good, so good for your skin. I don't know, a piece of soap this size just seems to work so much better than a great big piece of soap, doesn't it? It's like, honestly, like a facial moisturiser for the skin. So that's that. Now let's do a lather test on the 100% olive oil soap that I did. As I say, I don't expect anything great with this, but it is brilliant. I mean, so is my regular soap, brilliant for sensitive skin and babies. And if you're new and just wanting to learn how to make soap, it's great just to use one oil, because it's cheaper than buying lots of different oils. So you can see the lather wasn't great, but it's still got a good slip, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. So next up we've got, I just wanted to show you what a cupcake looks like when it hasn't been used, and this is what the cupcake looks like whilst it's being used. And the way I use these is, if I'm in the bath or the shower, I'll just wet my sponge and just rub the bar on to the sponge like so. Just spin it round a bit, so you see you don't need to cut them, and you'll get loads of wonderful lather to smother all over your body and just make your skin lovely and soft, lovely and clean, but also with a nice, it's like leaves a little bit of a barrier on there. That's what my recipe does. It feels like it's got a protective barrier after you've used it. So that's it for the three soaps, and now we're going to move on to something else. So I've just got a piece of bath bomb here. It's just leftover bath bomb. from, you know, when I was making my lavender bath bombs. I had some powder left over, so I just thought we might as well make another bath bomb that I can use at home. So as you can see, it's left a really pretty design, and it's still fizzing away, but very slowly now. I think that's it for now, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this short video from Eden's Secret, keeping you company and keeping you entertained during this outbreak. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye for now.